Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you what a Birch Polypore looks like. You can check the link above when I was making a video about Birch Polypore, but I didn't shoot what it looks like actually on the tree. So you can see various stages. This is a really small one. You can see there is the white stuff at the bottom. And obviously it's growing on a birch tree, so you can see this is sort of like a dead stump, and this is where it grows. And I will show you different stages. So here we've got more. We've got a bigger one, as you can see. It's nice and white underneath. And you should only harvest the ones which are nice and white. Here you can see a baby. Another one, baby growing here. Here is a bigger one. You can see just white bulb forming. Another one. And you can see it's also that birch stump. And here we've got different shape. Another baby growing. And you can see sort of like old species. So if you can see, it's dark underneath, and you don't want to harvest anything like this. You just want nice and firm ones. So I hope you find it useful. I hope you can identify it by now. It's not very difficult. You just need to know where to look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.